So, ayan na guys, luto ng ating pansit bihon. Nilagyan ko ng toppings na boiled egg guys para mas sumarap pa ang ating pansit. So, dali na guys, kain na po tayo. So, that's all for today guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye and God bless.